Hello, this is Mr. Fishel talking. So today what we want to do is we're going to do Unit 2 Learning Target 4. I can identify a composition of transformations of geometric figures in a coordinate plane. When given formulas, I can draw the composition of transformations based on those formulas. And success criteria is be able to use two different transformations in a row. So that's what we want to be able to do today. All right? So again, a composition, I guess it sounds like music or something like that. Composition of transformation is basically combining two transformations together. Please do this with me. Write this down. So we'll start off with some points. Let's see. I'll start with just a triangle here. Can connect these points. We'll call this A, this B, and this C. Okay, now I'm going to list the points here. So it looks like A is the point 3, 1. B is the point 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 6. And C is the point 5, negative 2. All right? So we're going to do two different things. And you could choose any two transformations to do. So let's do this. First of all, let's translate it by a rule. XY goes to X plus 4, Y plus 3. Okay, this is what we're going to do first. And second, we're going to reflect over the y-axis. So xy is going to go to negative xy, which is a reflection of the y-axis. Okay? So first thing we're going to do is we're going to add, you can see the x, we're going to add 4 to the x and 3 to the y. So let's add 4 to all the x's first. So x plus, or 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 4 is 9. All right, now to the y's. 1 plus 3 is 4. 6 plus 3 is 9. And negative 2 plus 3 is 1. Okay, so we're going to do that first. So I'm going to label those points. Go up here. So go to 7, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be A prime. B prime is going to be 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. C prime is going to be 9, 1. And I'm going to connect that. Okay, so that's our first step. Our second step was we're going to take these points, the A prime, B prime, and C prime, we're going to translate them, or we're going to do another transformation with them, and they're going to turn into A double prime, B double prime, C double prime. Okay? So we're going to use the second rule now. And I put double prime because it's the second transformation here. So I'm going to use the second rule with all of these points right here. This is all I'm looking at. I'm not looking at the originals. I'm looking at these right here. So I look at the first one. I want to make the x's all the opposite sign. So this becomes -7, -8, and -9. And the y's are all going to remain the same. So it becomes 4, 9, and 1. Okay, so I'm going to go graph these new points. -7, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4. This is going to be A double prime. I'm going to graph -8, 9. So go over one more. -8, 1, and then up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. B double prime. And then I have -9, 1. So I'm going to go -9 up 1. This is C double prime. I'm going to connect those. Okay. So now I'll zoom out just a little bit so you can see what we've done. We started here, we went here, and went here. This is our original pre-image to our first image to our second image. We translated and then reflect. Okay? So this is one example of a composition of transformations. This was a translation, then a reflection. Okay? That could also be called what's called a glide reflection. Okay, glide reflection. You could do several things. You could combine any two. You could do a translation, then a rotation. You could do a rotation, then a reflection. You could do a lot of other things. Okay? So you could do any two combined transformations. Okay? So that's how you do a composition of transformations. All right, well, hopefully you've learned a lot from this, and go Big Reds.